going to do all of my sweaty work in here as quickly as possible, but let's go out and see what I can do with this. So the only way this is going to work is if I figure out a way to make sure that the bottom back of the seat that I just bought is absolutely lined up with the existing seat, because there's just not a lot of wiggle room there. So I need to figure out a way to get that on the back of the chair. Okay, I learned some things. So what I learned is the back of this needs to absolutely match up right there. What I was doing before, I was shifting a little farther forward to line up with the spikes that pop out through the seat, because it's actually a Jeep chair, not a boat chair, which meant it was $200 instead of $800, but it does need some work. So I have to make sure that when I cut it and put it on the inside, see my lines here and here. That's so this piece will fit on the inside. The other option I have, and I feel like this is going to look less intentional and more cobbled together, is just leave this like this, paint it the same color as this, and then figure out a way to attach it through the fabric. But I don't like it. It's not an elegant solution. And I'm trying to make this look not added on.